Imagine yourself on a cold winter morning with snow gently falling outside and a fireplace crackling warmly in your living room. You feel that gentle warmth spreading throughout the room, a sense of comfort and safety. But to keep that fire going, you need wood. And preparing it can be a daunting task. That's where it comes in. This revolutionary product, the 5-ton hydraulic electric log splitter, Forest Master FM5. If you're looking for an efficient, quick, and easy-to-use tool to prepare your logs, you're going to love discovering everything this splitter can do for you. If you're interested, feel free to click the link in the description right now to learn more about its unique features. See hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers and order yours at the best price right now. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to discover the best products we specially select for you every day. This log splitter is ideal for individuals looking for a quick and efficient solution. To prepare firewood, especially for small to medium wood stoves, it's perfect for those who want to split soft and green wood effortlessly. From the very first use, the Forest Master FM5 impresses with its power and speed. With its 2200-watt motor, this machine generates a force of 5 tons, which is impressive for such a compact splitter. Imagine splitting logs easily. Without intense physical effort, the quick cycle time of just 9 seconds allows you to prepare a large amount of wood in no time. No more long hours spent swinging an axe in the cold. Now you can enjoy your time warm by the fire. One of the biggest advantages of the FM5 is its lightweight and compact design. Weighing only 32 kilo, it's easy to move and store even in the tightest spaces. Whether you have a small shed or a large garage, you'll find room for this splitter. Its clever and compact design doesn't compromise its sturdiness at all. There's always a place for this splitter. Its clever and compact design doesn't compromise its sturdiness at all. It's built to last and withstand the most demanding tasks. The FM5 is perfect for those who are new to preparing wood or for those who own a wood stove. Medium to small size. It's perfectly suited for soft and green wood with a maximum log length of 300 mm and a maximum diameter of 250 mm. Its features make it a versatile tool suitable for most household firewood needs. Using the Forest Master log splitter is intuitive and safe. It is equipped with a button and a lever that must be used simultaneously for two-handed operation, ensuring maximum safety. You can work with complete confidence, knowing that every detail has been designed to protect you while optimizing the machine's performance. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of customer reviews extremely satisfied. Now I suggest we recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, high power, 2200-watt motor producing 5 tons of force, perfect for quickly splitting logs. Advantage number 2, fast cycle time, only 9 seconds, which allows you to process a large amount of wood in a short time. Advantage number 3, compact and lightweight. Easy to move and store, weighing only 32 kilo. Advantage number 4, safety, two-handed operation with a button and lever used simultaneously, reducing the risk of accidents. Advantage number 5, reliability. From a reputable manufacturer with positive user reviews, ensuring a durable and high-performing product. Now let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1, wood limitation. Designed mainly for soft and green woods, it's not suitable for hard and seasoned wood. Disadvantage number 2, capacity. Maximum log length of 300 mm and a maximum diameter of 250 mm, limiting the size of the logs that the device can handle. Now, imagine yourself with this log splitter by your side, turning the chore of splitting wood into a simple and quick task. No more need to exhaust yourself with an axe or spend hours preparing your firewood. The Forest Master FM5 is here to make your life easier, giving you more time to enjoy precious moments with your loved ones by the fire. If you're still hesitating, think about the hundreds of satisfied customers who have already chosen the FM5. Their unanimous feedback highlights the strongest points: speed, efficiency, sturdiness, and ease of use. By choosing the FM5, you're opting for peace of mind, knowing that you have a reliable and high-performing tool for your firewood needs. Don't wait any longer to discover the benefits of the log splitter for yourself. Forest Master FM5. Click the link in the description to order at the best price, learn more, and see hundreds of customer reviews. Don't miss this opportunity to transform your daily life and to make wood preparation a simple and enjoyable task. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to discover the best products we specially select for you every day. With that, I sincerely thank you for your attention and I hope to see you very soon.